I am Sau KSS, working in KA Bhantia Madhyamik Vidyalay, New Panvel as an assistant teacher. Standard 8 semi subject maths. Students, today we are going to study chapter first, rational and irrational numbers. In previous standard, we have already learned natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. First, natural numbers 1, 2, 3, dash dash are called natural numbers. It is also called as counting numbers. Next, whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, dash dash are called whole numbers. It is a set of 0 and all natural numbers. Next, integers dash dash -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 dash dash are called an integers. It is a set of natural numbers 0 and opposite of all natural numbers. We can say that it is a set of positive numbers 0 and negative numbers. Next, rational numbers. The numbers of the form m by n are called rational numbers. Here m and n are integers, but n is not 0. We have also seen that there are infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Now let's learn rational numbers in details. The numbers of the form m by n. Here m and n are integers, but n is not 0. For example, -25 by 3. This number is in the form of m by n. -25 and 3 are integers, and by definition n is not equal to 0, means denominator is not equal to 0. Here is negative sign, so -25 by 3 is a negative rational number. Next example, 10 by -7. Here 10 and -7 are integers and denominator is not equal to 0, and here is negative sign. Therefore 10 by -7 is a negative rational number. Next example, -4. -4 can be written -4 by 1 is in the form of m by n. Here -4 and 1 are integers and n is not 0. So -4 is a negative rational number. Next example, 0. Is 0 a rational number? 0 can be written 0 by 1. This is in the form of m by n. 0 and 1 are integers and n is not equal to 0. Therefore 0 is a rational number. Next example, 3. 3 can be written as 3 by 1 is in the form of m by n. 3 and 1 are integers and n is not equal to 0. Therefore 3 is a rational number. And next example, 8. 8 is a rational number. 32 by 3 is in the form of m by n. here 32 and 3 are integers, and by definition n is not equal to 0 means denominator is not equal to 0. Therefore 32 by 3 is a rational number, and is a here is not any sign, therefore it is a positive rational number. Same thing in 67 by 5. 67 by 5 is also a rational number. Students, we studied number line in previous standard. This is a number line. Take midpoint as 0 and right to 0 take positive numbers and left to 0 take negative numbers. Let's start practice set 1.1. Question number 1. Show the following numbers on a number line. Draw a separate number line for each example. First example is 3 by 2, 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2. Convert 3 by 2 into whole number fraction. 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 remains 1. Denominator as it is. It can be written in addition form, 1 plus 1 by 2. Here 3 by 2 is at half distance. Half distance. After 1 on the right side of 0. 5 by 2. Convert 5 by 2 into whole number fraction. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 remains 1. Denominator as it is. It can be written in addition form, 2 plus half. 5 by 2 is at half distance. After 2 on the right side of 0. Minus 3 by 2. Convert minus 3 by 2 into whole number fraction. Minus sign is there. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 remains 1. Denominator as it is. It can be written in addition form, minus 1 plus minus half. Here minus 3 by 2 is at minus half distance. Minus half distance. After minus 1 on the left side of 0. Draw number line. Take 0 as a midpoint. Plot positive numbers on the right side of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plot negative numbers on the left side of 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. The denominator of given number is 2, so we divide each unit distance into two equal parts. Plot 3 by 2 on a number line. Here 3 by 2 is at half distance after 1. After 1 half distance. So 3 by 2 is here. Next 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is at half distance after 2 on the right side. 5 by 2 is here. -3 by 2 is at minus half distance after -1 on the left side of 0. After -1 minus half distance, -3 by 2 is here. Here the denominator of given number is 2, therefore we divide each unit distance into two equal parts. This sum is complete. Write down this sum in your notebook. Second example, 7 by 5 minus 2 by 5 minus 4 by 5. Convert 7 by 5 into whole number fraction. 5 1s are 5, 7 minus 5 remains 2. It can be written in addition form. 1 plus 2 by 5. 7 by 5 is at 2/5 distance after 1 to the right side of 0. Minus 2 by 5 and minus 4 by 5 cannot convert into whole number fraction because numerator is less than denominator. Therefore, minus 2 by 5 and minus 4 by 5 is in between 0 and -1 on the left side of 0. Draw number line, take 0 as a midpoint and plot positive numbers to the right side of 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and plot negative numbers to the left side of 0, -1, -2, -3, -4. Here denominator of the given number is 5, so we divide each unit distance into 5 equal parts. These 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 parts are there. To show 7 by 5, 7 by 5 is at 2/5 distance after 1 to the right side of 0. After 1, 2/5 distance. 2/5 distance is here. here is 1, after 1 and 2, here is 2 distance. So here 2 by 5. Then minus 2 by 5 and minus 4 by 5 is in between 0 and minus 1. Here 0, here minus 1. Plot minus 2 by 5, 1 and here 2. Therefore, here is minus 2 by 5, and to show minus 4 by 5, 1, 2, 3 and here is 4, 1, here minus 4 by 5. Here the denominator of each number is 5. So we divide each unit distance into 5 parts. Students, complete the remaining exercise.